Hey guys, today I would like to share with everyone how we're going to set up this NA-B2 Max 15-inch bubble remover autoclave. My name is Noring with NASAN USA. So as soon as you open the box for this second generation B2 Max, a lot of stuff will be inside the chamber. This is the unlock position, okay? This is gonna be lock position. There you go. So we're gonna unlock it and then open the door, and then you're gonna take this out. There you go. I'm gonna switch the camera for you. So this is the stuff that you are going to get: the hose and additional rubber gasket for the door. Keep it, okay? And then you're going to get this quick release, one for the hose, and the other side is going to be male quick release that you can get it from Amazon. Basically, you do not need this one, okay? Very important. You use this one only if you hook up to like 2-3 machines, and then you can split it. So this one is just additional. So we're gonna put it aside because it depends on how many machines you are running, you might need this. I have a lot. I have hooked up like 5 different machines. Air compressor, I use this splitter. Anyway, so we're gonna put this aside. Just keep it simple. So all you have to do is like this side will go here, okay? Simple. And let me switch the camera for you. The other side of the hose will go into this right here. That's it. That's how simple the setup is. Of course, the other side, this side, that the one that going into the air compressor is gonna be set up like this. So you're gonna hook this one into this male quick release, okay? So for example, it's gonna be like this. All you have to do is this. So we make customer life so much easier. Another beauty part about this machine is it has the special regulator, air regulator. You can manually all you have to do is push up, and then you can adjust pressure. That air pressure will show on this right here. But don't touch it. You don't really have to. Okay, we just have to have there for some of our clients who really willing to have a lot of control over their machines. So you don't really have to touch it. Just I will show you on the setting part. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, this tray you will always need it for either phone, watch, iPad. This tray, you have to push it in, push it out, so that you don't have to put your hands into the autoclave to get the stuff in and out. So now we're gonna lock the door, very important. Another thing is we have the sensor here, magnet sensor. If the door is not locked, whenever you hit start, the machine won't start. Okay, that's a security feature. And there's another security feature is going to be whenever you hit start, when the air pressure go into the chamber, you won't be able to open the door because the door will be sealed really tight. You can't open it. Okay, that's one part. So let's go back to the air compressor, how we're gonna connect it. Most of the air compressor come with the female quick release, which is, I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, this is the one of my favorite air compressor. It has an 8-gallon California brand, ultra silent. You have to make sure it is ultra silent. You can buy the smaller one, but the price is like $20 different. So I would just rather go with the big one. So anyway, so this right here, this is the female quick release. Every air compressor come with this female quick release. So simply all you have to do is connect this to the air compressor. That's it. Okay, and then of course the air is gonna fill up. You can just use the maximum air out, and I'm gonna demonstrate on the machine. So of course, once you take out everything, once you set up everything, so all we have to do is plug in the power, turn on the machine in the back. The way that we set up on this guy is double tap. If you don't double tap, the machine won't turn on. So because it's touch sensitive machine, so accidentally you touch something, machine won't do anything. So it's a security safety feature as well. So you're gonna do a double tap on off button. That's how you turn on the machine. Okay. And very simple, you got the machine. Normally, it's already factory setup. You don't have to do anything. If you want to do the operation, all you have to do is here start and stop, you have to double tap start and stop. That's it. Air fill. I'm not sure you can hear it, but the air go in. Now I can't open the door anymore. And then it's normally set to 5 minutes, but so let's say you don't want to wait 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You wanted to take out the stuff. All you have to do is like double tap on start and stop button. So it's release the air out and give it like 5 seconds. Once all the air out, you can open the door and then take the stuff out. Okay. Now the next step, how does this work? So basically, a lot of people ask me about the temperature, the air pressure, and the timer. The timer is simple right here. You just either double tap, and then you keep changing the number. The maximum that we have set for this machine is 20 minutes. For me, 5 minutes is more than enough. Okay, so and then that was set to 5 minutes. Once you put something inside, you turn on the machine, and after 5 minutes, the air will release by itself, and it's ready to go. And you can always change that. Now, if you wanted to change the air pressure, all you have to do is like long press on set button. Okay. Now, right here, 08 is maximum air pressure that we have. So stick with it. You don't really have to make changes unless you wanted to do some film cutting machine, and then you got a bubble, small little bubble. You wanted to put the whole phone inside. If you put the whole phone inside, you don't want to give a lot of pressure, like the minimum pressure possible. That time you can drop it to number 2. Okay, so very less air pressure, but always stick with number 8, the maximum pressure. Okay, so this little thing has 2 features. Long press is for the air pressure, but you don't really have to touch it. But the other thing is C means the Celsius, which is temperature. Okay, so currently we have set temperature for 28 degrees Celsius. You can change it just single tap. So it will change to 55, and it will change to 60. It will change to 15, and 20. So my favorite setting is 25 for all the flat screen. If you're working on the edge, you can set a little bit higher temperature. Just single tap and change the value. If you wanted to change the pressure value, long press. That's about it. And turn off the machine, simple double tap, or like there's a switch here as well. Hope this video really helped how to set up this machine. Thank you very much.